What you're about to see is a high-speed pursuit that goes from routine traffic observation to full-blown interstate chaos in seconds. Watch how quickly the tone shifts from casual radio chatter to tactical positioning and triple-digit speeds. This isn't just about chasing a reckless driver. It's about decision-making at 100 miles per hour, communication under pressure, and the razor-thin margin between control and catastrophe. Pay attention to the speed updates, the coordination, and especially what happens when the suspect refuses to let up. Because when someone won't slow down, something usually gives.
Now I'm the one in the lead. Where you hurting at, hon?
My back.
Okay.
Good?
Hey, man.
What you doing too?
Giving people help.
Yeah, good deal.
I'm surprised.
Right here, you can hear the shift in urgency. When officers start reacting with "look at that," it usually means the suspect just made a dangerous maneuver, likely weaving, passing aggressively, or cutting through traffic. In pursuit protocol, once speeds climb and erratic driving begins, supervisors are constantly weighing risk versus necessity. Is the suspect an immediate danger to the public, or is the chase itself becoming the bigger hazard? That split-second judgment call can determine whether the pursuit continues or gets terminated. What would you do if you were behind that wheel? Push harder or back off to avoid escalating the risk? miles per hour. That's not just reckless, that's life-threatening. At those speeds, reaction time shrinks dramatically, and even minor steering corrections can cause a spin-out. Notice a concern about her passing multiple vehicles. That's key. When a suspect starts overtaking heavy traffic at 100 plus, officers know the margin for civilian casualties skyrockets. This is where pursuit training kicks in. Maintain visual, don't overcommit, communicate hazards ahead. But here's the tension. Every second she stays on the road at that speed, innocent drivers become rolling obstacles. Do you think the pursuit should have been called off at this point, or was she too dangerous to let go?
And she's going to pass a whole bunch of traffic on the shoulder just before it hurts. I believe we're probably going to go with Oklahoma.
10-4, I am public service authority at this time.
10-4, still westbound, just past 3. Hey, 27, make sure. We got her. We're going 15 right now.
10-4, 10-15, you're 10-20.
We're down here in the bottoms, about a mile from the state line. Go ahead and send an ambulance so we can have her checked out.
10-4.
You got her? Somebody else in the car?
I don't think anybody else in the car.
I didn't see anybody else in
And
the
just
car.
like that, the tone changes again. When you hear send an ambulance, that tells you the chase likely ended in a crash or forced stop. Notice how quickly officers switch from adrenaline to medical mode. That's protocol. Once the threat is neutralized, the priority becomes preservation of life, even for the suspect. They're confirming location, requesting EMS, and assessing injuries before even fully processing what just happened. This is a critical shift in law enforcement training. Pursue, stop, render aid. The question now is, was this crash inevitable given the speed? Or could something earlier have
See
prevented it?
anybody else in the car?
Tell me there's not a kid in there. I think the other stolen, she was in front of that other stolen car.
Was she?
Yeah,
Okay.
I believe so. She was parked right in front of the silver Impala.
Okay.
And when she saw me turn around, I
Leave her.
in front of her, she poured it.
Leave her. Got an ambulance coming.
I'm trying to stand up, but my back.
No, don't. Just stay right where you're at.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right where you're at.
Where you hurting at, hon?
My back.
Okay, stay right there.
Stay still.
Unfortunately, we're 15 with her. Our units are good. She's crashed, of course. She's pitted out. Just get us that ambulance. And the highway officer said that she was behind that Impala when he got after this, so it's over there somewhere.
10-4.
There's confirmation she was pitted out. For those unfamiliar, a pit maneuver, precision immobilization technique, is used to safely spin a fleeing vehicle at controlled speeds. But here's the key. Pits are highly regulated and usually approved only when the suspect poses a serious public threat. Given the 100+ speeds and aggressive passing, that threshold was likely met. After a pit, officers are trained to immediately secure the scene and check for injuries, which is exactly what we're hearing. It's controlled chaos. Contain the suspect, call medical, preserve evidence. Do you think deploying the pit was justified here based on what we heard earlier?
You got your walkie on you? Oh, hey, would you do me a favor, Lieutenant? I can go to my car and hey, when you get a chance, get on there, have them see if OHP's coming. OHP? I mean, we're in Oklahoma. I know.
You want OHP over here?
Yeah. Huh?
She's still this far.
Yeah, car stolen.
Y'all good?
Hey, man.
What you been up to?
Getting people home.
Yeah. Good deal. Good deal.
She was flat out driving that car.
Yeah. She passed, what, 3 18-wheeler girl?
Oh, dude, that was just like two, yeah.
I mean, she hadn't let up. She was doing 100 when she passed him on the right.
I'm surprised she Look at that. Look at that car, dude.
Yeah.
Good pit, wasn't it? Good pit, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's good. I heard one, he was like, try it in the curve, try it in the curve.
Oh, dude, I was
Missed it.
hitting the curve up there.
Their tires completely up on the interstate was running on there.
Yeah.
We witnessed a high-speed interstate pursuit reaching 120 miles per hour, with the suspect weaving through traffic and refusing to slow down. Officers maintained communication, tracked location toward the state line, and ultimately ended the pursuit using a pit maneuver. From a procedural standpoint, the escalation appears tied directly to the suspect's reckless driving and the danger posed to the public. The shift from pursuit to medical response shows adherence to post-stop protocol. Neutralize the threat, then render aid.